Hi everyone, it's Kay with Modest Me Designs, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do DIY projects, home decor, and home organization. Today I'm bringing you a little shopping haul. I'm so excited to get out to the stores. I haven't been in so long. And I promised myself I wasn't going to do a lot of shopping. I missed out on a lot of the fall things, fall sales and clearance items, because you know I'm in the process of moving, and I didn't want to buy a whole lot of things just because they were on sale, not knowing how I was going to use them. So I decided not to do any shopping for a while. But I got out this weekend and picked up a few things, and I want to share with you some items I got. All right, let's start with HomeGoods. First item I got, hope I can read these prices without them, was this cute little, it's actually a picture, but you can see it's got some depth to it. So I'm actually going to be using this as a tray. It was $7 clearance. And so it makes, I think, a really nice tray, nice size for a tray. And I'm going to do a DIY project with this by taking using something to cover this, because the bathroom, I'm going to use it in the bathroom, and this color is not in the bathroom. So I'm going to cover that up, and it's going to be a tray for the bathroom. Funny, one of the things I always buy from HomeGoods is my coffee. So this is a pumpkin spice. I'm getting a glare. This is a pumpkin spice coffee, and it is $4.99, $5.99. So that's another thing I got there. The next thing I got was this set of 3 canister jars, and it was on clearance for $5. I'm showing that side the clear glass, and on this side of the box some ideas and things you can store in that. So it's 3 for $5, and I'm going to be using this in one of my bathrooms. And the last thing I got for $10 is this set of 3 storage baskets. And they're pretty good size. And they're light gray and dark gray. Pretty good depth to them. And I'm thinking these will get used in bathroom for storage. All right, I decided to add a little more lighting, a little more overhead lighting, so hopefully that made it a little better. You can see me a little clearer and hear me a little better, a little better. So, all right, let's get back to it. Next, we're gonna do what I found at Walmart. And it was just a couple items. I went in there to pick up, you know, the normal household run that you may get at your Walmart or Target. And first thing I got were these slippers. And these are Earth Spirit shoes. I don't know if you're familiar with them at Walmart. There we go, a little bit. All right, these are Earth Spirit shoes, and they were $14.98, $14.88. And I usually use their sandals as my house shoes. And of course, there are no sandals out this time of year, so I had to get something that was more of a little moccasin slipper. I think they're pretty cute, but they're just for around the house. And I'm going on a retreat soon, so I picked up some little travel toothpaste. And I needed some soaps, hand soap. I love this soft soap, coconut and warm ginger. I don't do well with strong fragrances, and this fragrance is really light. So this is one of them that works for me. So I grabbed some of that. These bath mats were on clearance for $3. So I don't know if I can get back far enough you can see the whole thing. So I grabbed 2 of those. I love that spa green color, or spa blue color, whichever way you look at it. And then I had decided I was gonna have to get some boots. If you saw the picture I showed of the front of the house, there's a whole lot of growth. They're called Pachysandra, I think it's called. Someone told me the name, I'll have to look it up again. Pachysandra, you use it to fill in areas where you know, you have a lot of trees and they don't get a lot of sun and your grass won't grow. That's one of the flowers, I guess you would call it, doesn't bloom, I don't think, that you can use to kind of cover that area. So I was thinking I'm gonna have to get some boots because I won't be walking through that without knowing what's in there. Looked like a good place for a snake to be for me. So I was walking through the Walmart to get my slippers, and they had these rain boots out for the season. So I went on and grabbed a pair, and I'm going to use them as work boots. But they were, I think they were $13. Okay, there's no price on here. But I believe they were $13. So that'll be good for a work boot. I'm trying to see if there's a price inside. And I don't think so. I believe they were 13, 14, something like that. Work boots. And the last thing I got was this one large floral arrangement. I don't know if you would call this a pick because it's so big. It's got so much to it. You can make a floral arrangement by itself. And this one piece was just $5. And I'm gonna use it to help make a bouquet that's gonna sit on that tray I showed you. So I grabbed 2 items at Dollar Tree to help with my DIY project for that tray. And one was these felt tabs, and that's to go underneath to make sure, you know, right now it's a picture frame. I don't want it to scratch the surface of the table I'm gonna put it on. And then I'm gonna be using this placemat to actually cover. I'm gonna be using this placemat to actually cover that picture that was on the bottom of the tray. And its placemat says, "Bless our nest." Oh no. Our nest is best. So the placemat says, "Our nest is best." So that's going to be used to cover the tray. All right. And we've had some new stores open in the area, and we've had some few stores to close. So we got a Burlington Marshall and HomeSense nearby now. So I was really excited about that. I got to go the other day and kind of walk around, and it was so crowded because they're new stores. But I'm really gonna like having them in the area. But sad to say, you know, competition is real, and so we're losing our Bed Bath & Beyond that's in the area. Not too happy about that. But at any rate, I decided to hit their sales this week, and just to see what they had left, because I figured most of the stuff was gone, but they still had quite a bit. They are marked down to 50% off now. And so you can't use your coupons, but at 50% off, I still found a few things that I thought would be, you know, good price. So the first item I got were these organic sheets. I've been wanting to try some organic sheets for a while, and they were $34.99, so I thought this would be a good opportunity to give them a try. They are under the Canopy brand. Started out $70, and now they have priced at $34.99. So I just decided to get 2 sets and see what happens, see if I like them. And this is something I've been wanting to try. It was originally $19.99, so I got it for $10. It's the bamboo drawer divider. And so it's made, you know, so you can stretch them out quite a distance. I think it goes to from 17 to 12 inches. So it's quite a span. And you can see the picture, I don't know if you can see the picture at the bottom or not, how you use them to divide things in your drawer. So there are 2 of them in here. And they're bamboo. I decided to give this a try, see what I think of them. And then I got this under the sink mat. And there's the price, $12.99. I got this under the sink mat. Ooh. Alrighty, there we go. Under the sink mat is clear vinyl, and it was $12.99. Yeah, so I got it for $6.50, and this was a relatively good price because I saw it in HomeGoods today for $10, I believe. So got a little bit of a deal on that. So these are the type of things, you know, for the home you're always going to use. And last but not least, they had a few little kitty swim items. Nothing large enough for my granddaughter, but they did have some swim trunks for my grandson. And if he's not in them next year, he'll be in them the year after that, because he's growing kind of fast. These are 3T. I was trying to find a 2T, but didn't find any. So I went on and got these, and they have the, you know, the absorbent underpants for kids who aren't potty trained yet. They were $13.99. So what's that? $6.99 or $7 for a pair of little swim trunks for him. Be so cute. And so that was it. It wasn't a huge haul, but I got a few items for the house that I'm going to need. You know, right now I'm just basically looking for organizational type things. So because decor I've got plenty of, and like I said, I don't really know what I'm going to need. I don't know what furniture yet I'll be able to keep and what things I'm getting rid of, but we shall see. We shall see. All right, I thank you for spending this time with me, and I'll talk with you again real soon.